Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Sew with Fakhra. In today's video, I'll share the complete baby girl frock measurement chart for ages 1 to 10 years. If you want to stitch perfectly fitted frocks at home, these measurements will save you time and help you achieve professional results. Before we start, remember that these are standard body measurements. Always measure the child carefully, and for a comfortable fit, add about half an inch to 1 inch according to your design and fabric. Now, let's go through each size one by one. Age 1 year. Here are the complete measurements for a 1-year-old baby girl. Please note down all the values shown on the screen. Age 2 years. These are the standard measurements for a 2-year-old. Age 3 years. Now, here are the measurements for a 3-year-old. Age 4 years. These measurements are suitable for a standard 4-year-old size. Age 5 years. Here is the complete size chart for 5 years. Age 6 years. These are the recommended measurements for a 6-year-old. Age 7 years. Now, let's look at the 7-year size chart. Age 8 years. Here are the measurements for an 8-year-old. Age 9 years. These are the standard measurements for 9 years. Age 10 years. And finally, here is the complete measurement chart for a 10-year-old. I hope this size chart makes your cutting and stitching much easier. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Sew with Fakhra for more sewing tutorials, measurement charts, cutting guides, and stitching techniques. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz!